Hello, friends. I made a game, but I didn't have a cool landing page, so I gave Codex a rough direction for my game's landing page. I didn't have anything at all, so it was coming up with it from nothing. I didn't give it a finished design, a professional mock up, or a detailed plan. I just gave it the basic idea design a new landing page for my oil and gas game, and Codex turned that idea into this landing page. This was built with the Build Web Apps plugin in Codex. The basic idea is simple. It helps Codex build websites and web apps. Instead of asking regular Codex to make me a website, this plugin gives Codex a more specific workflow for app screens, landing pages, buttons, layouts, styling, and testing. I wanted to test it with something real, so I wanted to use my own project. This is a game that's inspired by the show Landman, but it also teaches you how to actually run an oil and gas lease. I already had the game working, but when you opened it, it went straight into the dashboard. That's fine for testing, but it doesn't feel like a real game yet. A real game needs a front door. It needs to pump up the potential player into becoming an actual player. For this game, the fantasy is you're trying to become an oil field operator. You buy leases, you read risk, you bet on wells, you try to make some money before your bad decisions catch up with you. So Codex built a landing page that sold that idea. Installing the plugin is easy. Inside Codex, I go to Plugins, find Build Web Apps, and install it. Once it's installed, I can ask Codex to use it when I'm working on a website or app. The first time, it will actually have you test it in chat. For this test, I wanted to be direct. I told Codex, design a new landing page for my oil and gas game. I want it to have influences from the TV show Landman. The first thing Codex did was create a visual direction. It came up with a concept first. Oil rigs, desert colors, dark dashboard panels, a strategy game feeling, and a headline that actually sounds like a game. Claim the field, control the market. I didn't even have a tagline, nor had I even thought of that as something to have in the game. Then Codex moved from idea to code. This is where the plugin becomes useful. An image generator can make a fake screenshot, a chatbot can describe a landing page, but I wanted the actual page added to my app, and that's what Codex did. It edited the app files, added the landing screen, styled the page, connected the buttons, and kept the existing dashboard as a place you go when you click Start Playing. Here's the final result. We get a gritty oil-filled landing page with a big cinematic headline, strategy sections, game-style panels, call to action, and a clear mood. It feels like you're entering a game world, not opening a random web page. The buttons also have different jobs. All this is amazing because I purposely didn't describe any of this and it still knew what to do. In fact, this was probably better than what I was thinking up. The best part is that Codex did not just say done, it ran the build, started the local version, captured screenshots, and checked the desktop and mobile. The Build Web Apps plugin gives Codex a more specific job build web apps, build landing pages, build interfaces, test them, debug them, make them usable. I would use this plugin for landing pages, game menus, small web apps, dashboards, demo pages, internal tools, simple browser games, or prototype apps. You do not need to be a professional web designer or start with a perfect plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.